Hi, today in front of me HONOR Magic5 Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So find first the Gmail application, open it and tap on the right upper corner to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app. You should first log out from Google account on your device, and to do that you should tap here to manage accounts on this device, tap the Google section and to remove Google account. To do that, tap the remove button and then confirm your action. If you use some protect methods, just tap to OK, enter the password or draw the pattern. Then just go back to the application and we could see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail account and from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.